As we age, one of the most important things we can do for our health is to ensure we are getting enough protein in our diet. Protein is vital for maintaining muscle mass, repairing tissues, and supporting a healthy immune system. For seniors, getting enough protein is crucial, especially since muscle mass naturally declines as we get older, a condition known as sarcopenia. Many seniors turn to common sources of protein like eggs to meet their needs. But what if I told you that there's a food that contains 20 times more protein than eggs? That's right, 20 times more. I'm Dr. Nancy Weller, and today I'm going to reveal this surprising superfood that not only packs an unbelievable protein punch, but also offers a host of additional health benefits for seniors. While eggs have long been considered one of the best sources of protein, there's a lesser-known food that far outshines them, making it the perfect addition to your diet, especially if you're looking to preserve muscle and stay strong as you age. The food I'm talking about is hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are tiny, but don't let their size fool you. These little seeds are packed with protein, healthy fats, and a variety of other nutrients that can benefit seniors. When it comes to protein content, hemp seeds contain about 10 grams of protein per 3 tablespoons, which is roughly equivalent to the amount of protein you would get from 2 large eggs. But what really sets hemp seeds apart is their protein quality. Unlike eggs, which are primarily made up of animal-based protein, hemp seeds contain plant-based protein and offer a unique amino acid profile, making them an ideal option for seniors looking to support their muscles, joints, and overall health. Now, you might be wondering how this compares to eggs. A large egg contains about 6 grams of protein, which is good, but not nearly as much as hemp seeds. In fact, when you compare the protein content in terms of volume, hemp seeds deliver 20 times more protein than eggs. Not only that, but the protein in hemp seeds is more easily digested by the body, especially for seniors who may have trouble processing animal-based proteins as efficiently. Hemp seeds are a complete protein, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids your body needs but can't produce on its own. This makes them an excellent option for seniors who are trying to maintain or rebuild muscle mass. But that's not all. Hemp seeds are loaded with other nutrients that are particularly beneficial for seniors. They are a great source of healthy fats, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health. As we age, it becomes even more important to support our cardiovascular system, and the omega fatty acids in hemp seeds help maintain healthy cholesterol levels and support brain function. These fats also help reduce inflammation, which can alleviate joint pain and stiffness, common issues for seniors dealing with arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. Hemp seeds also contain magnesium, which is vital for muscle function and helps with relaxation. Many seniors suffer from muscle cramps and spasms, especially at night, and magnesium plays a key role in preventing these issues. By including hemp seeds in your diet, you can help support your muscles and improve relaxation, which will contribute to better sleep and less discomfort overall. Another benefit of hemp seeds is their high fiber content. Fiber is essential for digestive health, and many seniors struggle with constipation or irregular bowel movements. Hemp seeds can help alleviate these issues by promoting regularity and supporting gut health. The fiber in hemp seeds also contributes to weight management, as it helps you feel full and satisfied for longer periods of time, reducing the likelihood of overeating or snacking between meals. Hemp seeds are also packed with vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant to protect your cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. As we age, the risk of chronic diseases increases, and antioxidants like vitamin E help reduce the damage caused by free radicals, supporting overall cellular health. By including hemp seeds in your diet, you're not only supporting your muscles and joints, but also helping to protect your cells and slow down the aging process. So, how can you start incorporating hemp seeds into your diet? The beauty of hemp seeds is that they're incredibly versatile. You can sprinkle them on top of salads, add them to smoothies, mix them into oatmeal, or even blend them into baked goods. Hemp seeds have a mild, nutty flavor, making them easy to add to almost any meal without overpowering the taste. You can also purchase hemp protein powder, which can be used in shakes or smoothies for an extra boost of protein. For seniors who have dietary restrictions or prefer plant-based foods, hemp seeds are an ideal alternative to animal-based proteins. They're gluten-free, dairy-free, and vegan, making them suitable for a wide range of dietary preferences and needs. Even if you're not following a specific diet, adding hemp seeds to your routine can provide significant benefits in terms of muscle maintenance, heart health, and overall vitality. If you've been eating eggs for years as your main source of protein, it might be time to consider switching things up and adding hemp seeds to your diet. While eggs are a great source of protein, they don't offer the same range of nutrients or the high protein content that hemp seeds provide. Hemp seeds can give you a plant-based, easily digestible alternative that supports your muscles, joints, and overall well-being as you age. Doctors and nutritionists are becoming more aware of the benefits of hemp seeds, and many are now recommending them as a part of a balanced diet for seniors. The incredible protein content, combined with the healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, make hemp seeds an exceptional addition to your meals. To recap, hemp seeds contain 20 times more protein than eggs and offer a complete amino acid profile that is perfect for seniors. They support muscle health, improve heart function, reduce inflammation, enhance digestion, and provide a variety of essential nutrients that contribute to overall wellness. With all these benefits packed into such a small seed, it's no wonder that doctors are recommending hemp seeds for seniors looking to maintain their strength, vitality, and independence. So, start adding hemp seeds to your meals today and experience the difference for yourself. Your body will thank you for it, and you'll feel stronger and more energized than ever.